next thing to do is put this on. You want to go with that down. Get it started. Okay. There we go. Very fine thread. Don't want to get too crazy with it. There we go. And that's on. You'll need that piece and this piece. And your grip. So you're going to put this down in there, put this in. You don't need your decelerator. You only need that if this were a fully automatic weapon. And then you just tighten it down, like so. So, got that on. There's a little gap here. Take a piece of plastic and some wood. I'm going to tap that down a little bit and close that gap. And that's pretty good. You want it more than just keep working at it. If you don't get crazy, you won't break anything. And then make sure I didn't lose that washer. You know, it's still down in there. At least I think it is. Nope, there it is right there. Okay. You can pull it tight with this. I don't want to get too crazy with it though. Oh yeah, yep. That pulled it. That closed that gap that was right here. Now we're good and tight. And trigger guard is on. It really bugged me that pin isn't in there.